Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, can we go ahead? Can we go ahead? Check once. Yeah, Gayatri, can we go ahead? Call everyone. Gayatri, call everyone. In the last class, I think this is the one which we done. In the last class, this is the program which we done. Right? This program without static and auto int and all the things we done. This is the program what we discussed in the last class. Someone is saying, is that YouTube course complete full C for GATE? Yeah, mostly. Call everyone, Gayatri, call everyone. Yeah, good afternoon. Abhi, good afternoon. Where is Atul? Where is Atul, yaar? Where is Atul, man? This Atul is killing our life, yeah. He's killing our life. It's a killing. Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ashwin. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Yeah, fine. So this is the, I think from the last class. Good afternoon, Eden from Australia. Eden from Australia. Good afternoon. My students are from Australia also. Some of my students from Australia. Some of my students from foreigners. There are so many foreigners are there. So one of the student name is Uncage. Uncage. There are so many foreigners also there in my class. Yeah, so those people, right? So can you try this? What is the answer of this problem? With the last class knowledge, can you try what is the output of this program? With the last class knowledge, can you try what is the output of this program? Can you check once? Try. So start from main program. Can you check once? What is the output of this program? So function name is total. It is returning. So if you want, you can write int. It is returning int. Can you try this? What is the output of this program? Right? All 5 lectures of C programming is done. 5 lectures of C programming is done. Based on that, this program is given. Can you try this? It is the 6th lecture. Today is the 6th lecture. Can you try this? If anyone is not done previous 5 lectures, my request to everyone, please go through those 5 lectures as soon as this class over. Please go through them. Try whatever you are thinking. If something is not clear, let me know. Main program, static int x is equal to 0, int I is equal to 5, for loop is going on. I think for loop will go initially I value 5. So I think 5 greater than 0 one time. Next one is 5, right? 5 becomes 4, 4 greater than 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0 greater than 0 fail. Right? Next one. So lastly, at the end of the for loop, right? Printf x. But remember, inside the for loop, each I value you have to call total function. You have to call total function. And the important thing here is there are two local variables who are static. There is no global variable also. There is no global variable. Only static variables are there. Some normal variable and some static variables are there. Please, can you go through it? Can you go through it? I will explain. Can you go through it? I will explain what is the output of this program. Please let me know. What is the output of program? Please let me know. Thank you, Yogesh. Thank you so much. Thank you, Yogesh. Thank you so much. Thank you, Yogesh. Thank you so much. Yeah, you will get to know. SK. Sir, in total function, y equal. Yeah, you will get to know. SK I am going to explain. SK I am going to explain. SK I am going to explain. Yeah, can I give answer? Can anyone guess what is the output of this program? Someone is saying that it's like plus is equal to I. Okay. Let's see what is the answer. Can I give the answer? Can I give the answer? Please check. Can I give the answer? Verify. Can I give the answer? Someone is saying 6. Let's see. Someone is saying 6. Let's see. I don't have any idea. I know the concept. Based on the concept, I will explain. I know the concept. Based on the concept, I will explain. Can I go through it? Can I run it? Yeah, I will explain. That is the purpose of this. That is the purpose of this. Can I explain? Everyone, please let me know. Can I explain? Johan, are you there? Johan, are you there? Gayatri, can I explain? SK, can I explain? Yeah, now let's see this. Everyone listen. I am explaining. Everyone listen this. Everyone listen. I'm starting. Can you see this one? Compile this program for the static variable and global variable memory will allocate. Compile this program for a local variable. So listen, compile this program, local variable static, global variable memory will allocate in the static area. Right? Global variable and local variable static memory will be allocated in the static area. Right? Let us assume that static area one I am creating. Can you see this one? When you compile for the variable x, memory will allocate. But remember, in the static area, address is assumed that 1000, right? 0 will be allocated. So first line is over. Compile time. First line, right? Memory created. Can you come to here also? This count also memory will allocate. Compile time itself. Address is 2000, so value is 0. This is the current status. Compile this program for global variable, static variable, local memory will allocate in the static area. Okay, fine. Let me run the program. Everyone listen. Let me run the program. I am running. Everyone observe. I am running the program. Everyone observe. Now is a local variable. I value 5. This is the local variable. I value 5. It is also having some memory location. 3000 onwards. I value 5. Okay, that is also fine. Let's see the for loop. Everyone observe the for loop. Everyone observe the for loop. Initialization. So it is not mandatory. Next one. Can you go to the condition checking? 5 greater than 0, condition true. Then execute the statement. For every condition true, execute the statement. For every condition true, execute the statement. I am executing. Everyone listen. I am executing. As I mentioned to you in the last class, assignment operator having least priority. Assignment operator having least priority. Now listen. To this X, left assignment, right plus. Comparing assignment, plus is highest priority. Next one. Right? So to this total function, left is plus operator, right is a bracket operator. Bracket is highest priority. So remember, first this will be done. Comparing assignment operator, plus is highest priority. Comparing plus operator, bracket is highest priority. So bracket will be done first. Remember, I value 5. Total of 5 is called. Careful. I value 5. Total of 5 is called. See this one? I think a total of 5 is going. So V value is 5. V value is 5. Total of 5 is going. V value 5. Remember, V is a local variable. Its value 5. Its address may be 4000. Some address 4000. Right? Now come here now. So int V value 5, address is 4000, everything fine. Now I am running the total function. Observe clearly. Static, skip it. While running, static, nothing will do. While running, static will do nothing. Whenever you run the program, static don't do anything. Right? I am running. Can you help now? V value 5. While 5, condition true. See this one. While 5, condition true. Come inside. While 5, condition true. Come inside. Count plus is equal to V into 1. Right? See this one. Interesting answer. V value 5. Interesting answer. V value 5. 5 into 1. Remember everyone, 5 into 1. What I want to say is, I think in the last class I said to you, it is the bitwise AND operator. 5 means 101, 5 means 101, 1 means 001. Do bitwise AND operation. 111, right? This is 0, this is 0. So finally, this became 1. If you do the bitwise AND operation for the 5 and 1, right? Final answer is going to be 1 will come. So remember, this will goes to 1. Count is equal to count plus 1. Count already 0. It became 1. So this line is over. Now see the interesting answer. V greater than equal to 1. Remember, this is called right shift operation. Please see this one. V value 101. You have to do right shift 1 time. This is called a right shift operation. This is how many times? Right shift 1 time. When you do right shift 1 time, right, see this one. When you do right shift 1 time, all the people will move right one side. So he will goes to here. This person will be out. When you do one right shift, right? So see this one. First person, right? LSB person will go out. Next LSB, second LSB will goes to first place. Third LSB will goes to, right, second place. So like that, all will be shifted one position right. So remember, 101 becomes 10. 101. If you do right shift, 1 time, it became, right, I think rightmost one will be out. It will go out. Remaining is 10. 10 will be left out. So now V value becomes, see this one, right shift is done. V right shift 1 time happened. V now become 10. V initially V is here. After right shift is over, V became 10. So remember this, right? So you are done the right shift. The assigned value will goes to here only. Some people are asking, after right shift is over, answer will goes to V only. Right? This is the meaning of this line. One right shift V you done. That result will goes to in the V only. This is equal to, right? V is equal to V right shift 1 time. V right shift 1 time you done. That is the meaning of this line. After completion of this became 1 0, V became 1 0. As everyone know, A plus is equal to 1 means A is equal to A plus 1. Operator here is, listen, operator here plus equal. Here operator here is going to be right shift equal. Here operator is going to be right shift equal. Please careful. So like that you done. So before right shift V is 101. After right shift one time is over. After right shift one time over 10. That result will be stored in the V only. So now let me complete this part. Let me complete this part. Let me complete this part. See everyone, let me complete this part. So I am writing now. So this is equal to, if anyone having small doubt, this is equal to V is equal to V right shift one time. So V becomes 101 right shift to one time. This result became 10. That 10 will goes to V. So now V becomes 10. Remember. Now continue this while loop. Now previously V is right 5101. Now V became 10. 10 means what? 2. 10 means 2. So this 5 became 2. Sorry, this 5 became 2. Now whenever you are doing count is equal to count plus, right? This V value becomes 2 now. 2 end operator 1. Let me do this one. 2 means 10, right? End operator with 1, right? 1 means this one. If you do this, it became 0. It became 0. Now, count is equal to count plus 0. Count is equal to count plus 0. So, nothing will increment here. Next one, do V one more right shift. So, this 10, if you do right shift to 0 will go out, it will become 1 only. So, this became 1 means 1. Now, once again, continue the while loop, right? This became 1 now, right? So, count is equal to count plus 1 and 1. 1 and 1, if you do 1 and 1, if you do end operation, 1 only. So, count is equal to count plus 1. So, it became 2. It became 2. So, what I mean to say is, everyone observe. What I mean to say is, whenever, listen everyone now. So, finally, this while loop, right? I think what is the answer now? V is equal to V right shift one more time. This one, if you do right shift one more time, right? 1 also will go out. Lastly, 0 will be there. Because remaining all people are 0. Right? See this one. First of all, 101. 1 right shift over 10. 1 more right shift over 1. 1 more right shift over 0. When you come to the 1 more right shift 0, V value became now 0. Right? Next one, V value become 0. While 0, condition fail. Out of while loop. Whenever you are out of while loop, return count. Count will return 2. Now see the beauty. See the beauty now. First time 5 going on. Can you see everyone? Can everyone see this? Can everyone see this? Can everyone see this one? First time 5 is called. It returned 2. It returned 2. First time 5 is gone. It returned 2. I think that means this one. X value already 5. Careful. X value already 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. So what the answer? X is, sorry for this one. X is already 0. X is already 0. So then, right, X become 0 plus 2. X became 2 now. X became 2 now. X became 2. X value is 0. 0 plus 2 becomes 2. Right? So X contain now 2. Remember. Now see the answer. Now this for loop is going on. I minus. I value now 4. Now listen. I value now 4. Same story happening. X is equal to X plus. X is equal to X plus. Total of 4. Previously 5 went. Now 4 will go. Previously 5 and now 4. Do you believe or not? 4 means this. Right? When you send the 4, I think if you observe clearly, what is going on is number of ones counted. Number of ones are counted. If you want, you can verify. If you send the next value 4 means 100. I think at the end of this loop, you will get the one more 1. Right? Those people who are having small doubt also, I am running once again. Can you see this? I'm deleting all the people. I'm deleting all the people. One more time I'm running. Are you comfortable or not? Verify. One more time I'm running. Are you comfortable or not? Verify. Let's delete all unnecessary part. Let's delete all unnecessary part. So remember, count already 2 because it is static variable. It is static variable, right? Count already 2. I am running one more time. I am running one more time. It will become so easy. Can you see one time? Can you see one time? I am running one more time. See the answer. Previously 5 going, now 4 going. Previously 5 going, now 4 going. Now 4 going. Now see the answer. Previously 5 going, now 4. Can you observe? Can you observe now? 4 is going. 4 is going. So V value become 4. Because of E static, he cannot change. E is 2 only. Now see the answer. So 4 going. 4 means 1, 0, 0. Now count is equal to count plus this. So if you do this one, 1, 0, 0, end operator 1. So it will become 0. Right? Because right 1 means 0, 0, 1. I think if you do the end operation, you will get a 0. So count is equal to count plus. Count is equal to count plus 0. So no change there. No change there. Then V is equal to do right shift. When you do right shift, right, 1, 0, 0 becomes 1 right shift over 1, 0. Right? Next one. Once again, while loop will go. This 1, 0, 0 becomes 1, 0. Do once again end operation. 1, 0 and 0, 1. Now again it is 0. No effect. So count is similar. Now I think this value become 1, 0 becomes 1. In the next round, this is 1. Right? See this one. 1 and 1. It will become 1. Count is equal to count plus. It became 3. Right? It became 3. Afterwards, this 1 became 1 more right shift 0. So this became 0. While 0 fail. While 0 fail. Right? I think end of the while loop. Right? Return count. Remember, whenever I send 1, 0, 0, what it will do is previous 2, right? I think here one more 1 there. Previously 2 ones are there. So 2. Now one more 1 is there. Previous one, this one. Combined we will send. 3 will send. So remember now see the answer. X is equal to X plus. X already having 2. 2 plus 3. It became 5. X is equal to X plus 2 plus 3. 5. So now it became, I value becomes 3 now. Now 3 will go. Same story 3 will go. Same story 3 will go. Same story 3 will go. Now observe here. When you say 3, it became 3 means 1, 1. I think if you want, you can verify 2 more 1s will increase. Previously already 3 there. Previously count value already 3. 2 more 2s will be added. It became 5. 5 will be returned. So this will return 5. So previous existing value, X value 5 plus 2 more. Right? So I think what is the answer? 5 plus. So I think so if anyone having small doubt, let me check here. X initially X value 2 came. Next one 2 plus 3. Sorry for this 5 came. Right? 2 plus 3 5 came. Next time one more. I think what is the answer? 2 plus 3 5 came. Next time it became 5. It became 10 will come. Next time 10, because just add all of them. X value initially 0. Afterwards 2 added. Afterwards 5 added. Afterwards 1 more 5 added. Until now 10 there. X value until now 10 there. Now listen. Next I value, if you observe 3 over, next I value 2. 2 means you are sending 1 0. 2 means you are sending 1 0. In the 1 0, 1 1 is there. Existing value 5 plus 1 will be returned, which is going to be 6 will be returned. So this 5 plus 6 will be, which is going to be, I think previously 10 there, 10 plus 6, so 16 will be there. 16 will be there. Next I value becomes 1 now. Next I value becomes 1 now, return 1. Right? You are sending 1 now. When you send 1 contain 1 1. I think this 6 became 1 7. So for the existing x value, existing x value 16, add one more 7, 23, it will become 23. It will become 23, right? Next I value is going to be 0, right? I think next value 0, 0 greater than 0 condition is failed, right? Out of the for loop, lastly 23 will be printed. Will you agree? Lastly 23 will be printed. Will you agree? Fine. Yeah, anyone having any doubt, let me know. Answer of this problem is 23. Answer of this problem is 23. Are you okay? Answer of this problem is 23. Are you okay? Answer of this problem is 23. Nothing. See this one. Nothing. First time 101 cent. Right? So count value. See this one. Count value 2. Count value 2. Right? So x will be 2 added. X became 0 plus 2. Next one. When you return next value 4. Count will increment by 1. Count will increment by 1. 2 plus 1. Totally 3. So you will return that 3. So this became 3. Next one, I think after 4, next one is 3. Next one 3. 3 means 2 ones. So count is equal to existing 3 plus 2 more, totally 5. So, right, this x is going to be 1 more 5 will be added. Next one after 3 is over, 2. 2 means 1, 1. So count value this 5 plus 1, 1, which is going to be 6. So add the 6 also. Next one, right, after 2, 1 will come, right? In the 1, count is equal to 6 plus 1, totally 7. So add the 7 also. Add the 7 also. Lastly, 0, stop it. Then return the x value. X value becomes 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. See, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. So answer is 23 will be printed. Is it okay? Is there anyone who is not getting? Please let me know. Is there anyone who is not getting? Please let me know. Yeah, someone is saying right shift. Someone is saying right shift. See this. See everyone. See everyone. This is the one. Right? Assume that V. If anyone having small doubt also check V. V 1 0. Listen. V 1 0 0. V is 1 0 0. See this one. Right shift to. Right shift to one time. Equal is not there here. Equal is not there here. The effect of this one becomes, it don't assign. The effect of this one becomes one right shift done. It became 1 0. Rightmost person, you will lose it. Rightmost person, you will lose it. Some people are asking, sir, what about this one? What about this one, sir? One time left shift. Assume that this is 1 0 0. If you do left shift one time, right, rightmost place 1 0 added. So what I mean to say is very interesting one. This is going to be very interesting. Can you see this? This is going to be very interesting. Can you see this one? 1 0 0 means 4. After right shift is over, it became 8. Remember, listen, remember, left shift means multiplying by 2. Left shift means multiplying by 2. When you say right shift, this is 4. After right shift became, right, after right shift over, it divide by 2. Right shift means divide by 2. Left shift means multiply by 2. Right shift means 1 0 you lose. Right hand side 1 0 you lose, which is equal to divide by 2. When you say left shift, one more 0 added on the rightmost place. One more 0 added in the rightmost place. Right. Left shift means one more 0 added on the rightmost place, means multiply by 2. Here multiply. Here divide. Here divide. Right? Here divide. Here multiply. But remember here V will not change because there is no assignment. Here V will not change. There is no assignment. Right? So if you keep the assignment also like this, if you keep the assignment also like this, assignment also you kept this operator, then you have to assign. See this one, remember everyone, A plus 1 is different. A is equal to A plus 1 different. Right? A plus is equal to 1. Remember, these two are same, but this is different. Let me check here. A value 5, A value 5. A plus 1 is 6, but A is 5 only. A plus 1, A 5, A plus 1, 6 only. But A is 5. But here, see this, A 5. A plus 1 is 6, A also 6. Here A plus 1 is 6, but A 5 only. Now see here, this one is equal to this one. These two are similar. These two are similar. These two are similar. Now, let me know anyone having any doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. Let me know anyone having doubt. Check. Anyone having doubt? Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. If you sit idle, you don't get anything. If you sit idle, you don't get anything. Right. Anyone having doubt? Anyone having doubt? Now, can you help me? What is the answer of this? Can you help me? What is the answer of this? I'm expecting answer. What is the answer of this? Is there anyone who can help me? What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this? 1 0 1 1 0. End operator 1. Remember, it is a bitwise end. It became 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Right? This is 1. Remaining things are zeros, which will become 0. Which will become 0. Right? Next one. See this one. 0 1 0 1 0 1. End operator 1. It became 0 1 0 1 0 1. Right? 1 means 1 can be written as zeros 1. It became 1. Yeah, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? So see this one. Many basics you can learn from here. Many basics. Let's see this one. V is going to be 1 0 1 0. V is going to be 1 0 1 0. See this one. V is going to be 1 0 1 0. If you do right shift one time, right, 1 0 will be lost. What is the value? Right shift means divide by 2. It became 5. 10 becomes 5. But remember, at the end of the story, V value 1 0 1 0 only, because you are not done assignment. But if you do like this, V right shift to equal to 1. That means V is 1 0 1 0. After right shift one time over 1 0 1 5, but V changed. V became 1 0 1. We changed here, we not changed here. Careful. Fine. Hidden, are you okay? SK, are you okay? Hidden, are you okay? SK, are you okay? Gayatri, are you okay? SK, are you okay? Gayatri, are you okay? Check. Any small doubt also there, you can ask me. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help. Arey, SK, are you there? SK, are you there? Ashwini, okay. Hidden, okay. Gayatri, okay. SK, you there? This is the problem with the SKR. This is the problem with the SK. He will ask and he will not be there. This is the problem with the SK. He will ask. He will ask. Lastly, you don't listen. He will ask, but lastly, you don't listen. This is the problem with the SK. Arey SK, when you don't listen, why you ask the doubts? He will ask and he don't listen. Hello? 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 Someone is saying R operator. R operator is R operator. Na? Let's see this. Let's see. He's asking R operator. Can you see the R operator? Can you see R operator? 1010 R operator. R operator. See this one. What is the R operator? How to write R operator? How to write R operator? How to write R operator? Is it R operator? It is a bitwise AND. Simply R operator. So if the bitwise R operator, can you see this one? So can you help me now? Can you help me now? Relational R operator, how? How to write relational R operator? How to write bitwise R operator? How to write relational R operator? Can anyone say? Can anyone say bitwise R operator, relational R operator? Can anyone say bitwise R operator, relational R operator? Make it fast. Bitwise, see this one. Relational AND operator is like this. Bitwise AND operator is like this. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. How to write? This is the relational. This is the bitwise. So can you help me? Can you help me? What is the relational R operator? Check properly. Relational R operator. Bitwise AND R. Bitwise R operator. If you want, you can Google it out. Relational R operator. Bitwise R operator. Someone is saying relational is this one. Okay. Bitwise. Like this. Like this. Like this. Right? See this one. This one. This one. See this one. This one, everyone. 1010. See this one. 101. Right? R operator. R operator 1. R operator 1. If anyone is 1, 1. So R operator 0. Anyone is 1, 1. Anyone is 1. You know R operator. Boolean, right? Normal R operator. Anyone is 1, 1. Anyone is 1, 1. This is the relational OR operator. Some people are asking, sir, can you explain what the relational OR operator will do? Can you see this? Can you see this one? Relational operator. Relational OR operator. Can you see this one? 25 relational OR operator. 30. See this one. I think remember 25 means non-zero. Non-zero means true. 30 means non-zero means true. True. 1 or 1. So finally 1. Any one is 1, 1 will come. But when you say bitwise, you have to convert it to bits. So suppose, let me say this one. I think I will explain that. I think I will explain. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Can you see this one? 16. 16. R operator. R operator. 16 R operator. Right? So 14. 16 R operator, 14. It is a bitwise R operator. Bitwise. 16 means this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 16. It is a 16. 14 is going to be right. I think 12 and 14. I think this is the 14. Do R operator. Do R operator. Anyone is 1, 1. Anyone is 1, 1. Anyone is 1, 1. Anyone is 1, 1. Now see this one. 16, right? Bitwise, right? Sorry. Relational R operator 14. So 16 means non-zero, true. 14 means non-zero, true. So finally true will come. Is it okay? Is it okay? Normally we don't use. If anyone is forgotten, please take care. If anyone forgotten, please take care. If anyone is forgotten, please take care. If anyone is forgotten, please take care. And one more. These two are different. Can you see this one? A plus 1. A plus 1. Everyone listen. A plus 1. A is equal to A plus 1. Both not same. Not same. Remember. Both not same. The reason is A5. A plus 1, 6. A5. A plus 1, 6. But overall, see, this became 6. But this became 5 only. Please careful. Both are not same. Similarly. Right? See this one. This is right shift. This is also right shift. Both are different. Here V will change. But here V will not change. Because no modification. Here A not change. But here A will change. Fine. These are small things. See, one problem, see how many basics are there. Check one time. One problem, see how many basics are there. One problem, see how many basics are there. The purpose of this program. Is everyone observe. The purpose of this program is you have to understand. The purpose of this program is you have to understand what is static. The purpose of this program is you have to understand what is static. The first thing is what is static, you have to understand. Second one, what is right shift? Third one, what is left shift? Fourth one, what is bitwise end? What is the relational end? Bitwise end, what is the relational end? Bitwise R, what is the relational R? So please take care. It is a very nice problem. One problem covered so many basics. One problem covered so many basics. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Can we move to the next problem? Can we go to the next problem? Are anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? Hello? 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 Arey, no response. No response there. What yaar? No response. No response is there. Arey, Ashwini, are you there? Abhi, are you there? Arey, no response. Kya yaar? Gayatri, do you have any doubt? Gayatri, do you have any doubt? Any doubt? Small. Sir, this keyboard I am not okay. Sir, this keyboard I am not okay. Let me know. Let me know. Bitwise R means anyone is one. But when you say relational R, here not one or two, right? Non-zero or zero. Non-zero or zero. That is the only debate. That is the only debate. Yeah. If you okay, we can move to the next problem. Let me give to the next problem. Let me give the next problem. Yeah, fine. So someone is saying that I tried. Sir is not saying anything. Yeah, I'm not. I didn't said anything. Samarth. I didn't said anything. Yeah, I didn't said anything. I'm writing the problem. I am writing the problem. Anyhow, fine, perfect. Now see this one. One program I written. See this one. One problem I written. I will read also. If anyone says something is not clear, I will read also. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variables. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variables in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. We wish to set p to nc3. If n is a large, then which one of the following statement is most likely to set p correctly? Means simple. What you want to say is in one of the C program, you want to assign to p nc3. Inside p, you want to write nc3. What is the correct one? In one of the C program, you want to store inside p nc3. What is the correct way to do it? Can anyone check? It's one of the nice problem. It is one of the nice problem. Can you check this? In one of the C program, you want to set to p, right, nc3. Which is the correct way to keep? Which is the correct way to keep? Hi, phenomenal RC. Yeah, Ratul, congratulations, Ratul. Ratul, congratulations. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variables in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. If n is large, then which one of the following statement is most likely to set p correctly? Yeah, everyone say congratulations to Ratul. Ratul recently selected to IIT Madras. Ratul recently selected to IIT Madras. You can say congratulations. You can say congratulations. Yeah, Samarth is asking, sir, the first question you covered was a PYQ, of course. Of course, it is a PYQ. Yeah, can you try what is the output of this program? Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. P to nc3. This is nc3. P to nc3. I am writing also. P to nc3. If n is larger, then which one of the following statement is most likely to set p correctly? Try once. It's a nice problem. Try once. It is a nice problem. I don't know how many people will give answer. Can you try once? Yeah. What is the answer? answer of this problem? Can anyone guess? Samarth, what is the answer for this? Hayden, what is the answer for this you are thinking? Gayatri, what is the answer you are thinking? What is the answer you people are thinking? Can you help me? Can you help me? Indirectly, directly, all are same. Indirectly, directly, all are same. Hello, hello. Indirectly, directly, all are same. Yes or no? Yeah, whatever it may be, indirectly, directly, all are same. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Indirectly, directly, all are same or not? Yeah, everyone know. See this one. Do you agree or not? Do you agree or not? Everyone know. Listen, everyone know. Will you agree this or not? See this one. NC3 is equal to NC3 is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. NC3, which is going to be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. Am I right or not? All are equal or not? All equal. Check. See, first to divide by 2, next to divide by 3, totally 2 into 3, 6 only below. First to divide by 2, next to divide by 3, 6 only. Divide by 3, divide by 2, 6 only. I think all are similar or not? All are similar or not? In one of the exam, this question given. All are similar. All are similar. In one of the exam, this question is given. In one of the exam, this question is given. Can you guess? Can you guess what may be the answer? Can you guess what may be the answer? Yeah. One more thing. One more thing. Listen, one more thing. Is it even number? Okay, okay, I will give the answer. Is it even number? Let us assume that A and B greater than A and B are greater than 1. Let us assume A and B are greater than 1. Let us assume that A and B are both are greater than 1. Both are greater than 1. I am repeating once again. Let us assume that A and B, which are greater than 1, is it even number? I want answer from everyone. Is it even number? A and B are greater than 1. Is it even number? Of course, multiplication of two numbers is always even. Even or not? Sorry for this one. Multiplication of two number even. Multiplication of two numbers is even. Yes or no? Multiplication of two numbers which are greater than 1. Is it even or not? Or maybe? So no, need not be, right? See this one. 3 into 5, 15 or not? 3 into 5, 15 or not? Multiplication of two numbers which are greater than 1, is it even number? There is no guarantee. 3 into 5 is 15. Even no guarantee. See, even no guarantee. But one thing, listen, interesting answer. Interesting answer. Listen, interesting answer. Do you believe or not? Interesting answer. See this one. Interesting answer. Multiplication of, listen, multiplication of any two numbers you take, but if they are continuous, they are even. See, if you want, you can check. 2 into 3, 6 even. 3 into 4, 12 even. 5 into 6 even. Even. Next one, 7 into 8 even. 9 into 8 even. Am I right or not? So 9 into 8 or 8 into 9, both are same. 8 into 9 even. Will you agree? Multiplication of two number, if they are adjacent, multiplication of two number, if they are adjacent, that is even. Multiplication of two number, if adjacent. So I want to say finally one line. Listen, I want to say finally one line. N into n minus 1, is it even or odd? It is even. N into n minus 1, is it even or not? It is even. Adjacent people multiplication even. Adjacent people multiplication even. See this one. Any two people multiplication is not even. Adjacent people multiplication is even. Will you agree? Adjacent people multiplication is even. Adjacent people multiplication is even. Check. Adjacent people multiplication is even. If you okay, adjacent people multiplication is even. If you okay, I can proceed further. Now I am giving answer. Everyone observe. Now I am giving answer. Now I am giving answer. Listen everyone now. NC3 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. Everyone know? This is the meaning of NC3. And one more important thing is multiplication of two number which are side by side. Multiplication of two number which are side by side, right? That is always even. Multiplication of two numbers which are side by side, that is always even. Remember everyone. Two people multiplication which are side by side is always even. But NC3 means, this is the meaning of NC3. NC3 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3, which is nothing but n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. Right? Everyone know. But observe. See the answer. You only say, listen, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. You only say, you are doing n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. See this one. This much big number, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. This much big one, if you execute this much big one, if you execute, there may be a overflow. If you want, you can see the problem. Can you see the problem? Suppose n and p are unsigned integer variable in a C program. We wish to set p to nc3. If n is very large, can you see this one? N is very large. If n is very large, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very large. N itself is very large, yeah. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very big large. Some people are asking, sir, how can you say that n into n minus 1 into n minus 3, n minus 2 is a very big number? How can you say n itself is large? Definitely multiplication of these three numbers, it will become very big. So this may not be the better idea. See, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into by 6. See, lastly you are dividing. But this became already overflow. So this may not be the better choice. Already n big here. How can you do n into n minus 1 into n minus 2? It became very big. It will become very big. It will become overflow. So the best idea, anyhow you are dividing 6, right? Anyhow, you are dividing 6. It is better to divide. See this one? It is better to divide this one. N into n minus 1. See, as soon as it became little bigger, divide by 2. As soon as it became little bigger, divide by 2. Little big, this one, n into n minus 1. It became little big, then divide by 2. With that answer, multiply by n, right? Multiply with n minus 2, again divide by 3. I think comparing A, B may be better. Because if you go n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, if you go until last place, it became so big, it may overflow may come. The best idea, after little bit big, divide by 2. Afterwards into n minus 2. Then divide by 3. At the end of the day, you have to divide by 6. Whether you do first 2 or 3, you have to divide by. It's better to divide in between. If you want to divide at the end, it became overflow. So comparing A, B is better. Now, if you see the option C, n into n minus 1, listen, it became little big. It became little big, divide by 3. You multiply these two, it became big, divide by 3. With that answer into n minus 2, then divide by 2. First divide by 3, next divide by 2, which will become divided by 6 only. Comparing A, B better. I think B and C looks similar. Let's go to D. I think D also again same, overflow series. It is also overflow. It became very big. Already n big go. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2. It will become very big. Instead of dividing at the end, why don't you divide in between? So I think A option, B option similar. So A, B cannot be the answer. Answer will be B and C. Listen, answer will be B and C. But see the beauty. Can you see the beauty one time? Can anyone help me now? N into n minus 1 is even number or not? N into n minus 1 even number or not? Remember, even number by 3. You will lose something. Fractions will come. Even number by 3. See, suppose if the even number is 20 by 3, it became 3, 6, 18. 3, 6, 18. Right? Point. Remaining is 2. 3, 6, again 18. So I think it is going to be 6.6. What is the meaning? Because of you are dividing by integer, right? Integer by integer, you divide by integer. Finally, you will get the integer 6.66. So they will take it as 6 only. Means you will lose something. You are dividing by 3, okay. To make smaller, you are dividing by 3. But the unfortunate thing is, even number by 3, fractions will come. 6.66, it will become 6. You will lose something. You may not get a final answer correct. So, even number by 2 is the better idea. 20 by 2 is 10. You don't lose anything. 30 by 2, 15. You don't lose anything. Right? 3 fours 12 by 2. 3 fours 12 by 2, 6. You don't lose anything. I think comparing C and B, C is the worst option because you are losing something. I think in the B option, you don't lose anything. It's one of the best problem. Which is given in the previous paper. In the previous paper, this is one of the best problem given. It's one of the best problem. Yeah, some loss will be there. In the option C. Option C having loss. In the option C, you will lose something. Option C. But here, see this one. In the option A, overflow. In option A, overflow. In option D also, overflow. Option B, no overflow. You don't lose also. I think the best option is option B. Am I right or not? Best option is option B. Will you agree? See, very small thing here. Very small thing. How he can give this problem in the exam? Very small problem. Very small. But see the beauty inside. In this problem, there is a beauty inside. What is that one? Right? if you multiply two consecutive numbers, always even. 1 into 2, even. 2 into 3, even. 3 into 4, even. If you multiply two consecutive number, always even. Even by 2, you never get a fraction. Means you don't lose anything. Right? Whenever, right? So one more important thing is 6.66 integer. They will take 6 only. You will lose something. 6.66. Listen, 6.66. It is a, I think it is a fraction. But because of in the problem is mentioned, if you see, right? See this one. Suppose n and p are unsigned integer. So 6.66 becomes 6 only. 6.66 becomes 6 only. Means you are losing something. Sir, why are you dividing between, sir? Why don't you divide at the end? You may say that, why are you dividing in between? Why don't you do at the end? Overflow. Because already n big, right? If you multiply n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, it will become very large. So overflow. Right? Here overflow not coming, you are dividing in between. Right? I think even number by 2, you don't lose anything. Right? Fine. So something like that. But in the option C, if you observe, right, overflow coming, that is the reason you are dividing in between. But even number by 3, which will goes to fractions, you will lose something. In the option D, right, I think again overflow. Yeah, so Ashwini is saying one interesting one. Ashwini, at last, if you are losing, it's okay. At the end of the day, you have to divide by 6, right? I'm repeating once again. At the end of the day, you have to divide by 6. What option you have? Comparing the B option, C option, B better. It is a very clear that in the option C you will lose. In the option B, I may lose, I may not lose, because at the end of the day, I have to divide by 6. At the end of the day, I have to divide by 6. Right? I don't know in the option B I will lose or not. Option C, guarantee I will lose. Comparing the B option, C option, C, it's a very clear that you are going to lose. Option B, you may lose, you may not lose. Right. I think it is one of the excellent problem. It is one of the excellent problem. Please check properly. Right. And one more thing is, if you are serious about GATE exam, if you are serious about GATE 2025, if you are serious about GATE 2025, my suggestion is please start the preparation as early as possible. If you are serious about GATE examination, right, start the preparation as soon as possible. In EPT, one offer also going on. 25% off is going on. 25% off is going on every course whatever you buy in the EPT. Right? You can go to website, you can go to exampreptool.com, you can go there, you can buy GATE CSE or GATE DA, right? Whatever you want, you can buy. Right? So GATE CSE, right? If you are preparing for GATE CSE, you can buy GATE CSE or GATE DA. Right? There is a 4 language course also. If you want to learn 4 languages, 4 famous languages which will give job, C, C++, Java, and Python. Right? If you want to learn those 4 languages, 4 language course there. If you learn properly within 1 month, you will get 4 languages. Approximately 800 programs are explained. Approximately 800 programs are explained. Approximately 800 programs are explained in the 4 languages. So if anyone want to be good in all these 4 languages, you can go to 4 language course. And one more, if anyone is preparing for campus placements, DSA for campus placements, that course you can take. If you are preparing for GATE CSE, you can go for GATE CSE or GATE DA. Right? 25% off is going on, you can utilize it. Go to the exampreptool.com. From there you can take. And if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp us. This is our WhatsApp number, right? We are going to resolve your doubts. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp us. Sir, I think no loss in n minus 2. So listen, hidden, even though loss is there, so what is the problem? Comparing the option A, option B, so option B, option C, in the C it is a clear that you are losing. In the option C, maybe, I don't know, right? It's a very clear option C. You are going to lose data because right, even by odd, even number by 3, definitely every time you will lose. Even number by 3, every time you lose. Sir, in B option, a big number will be divided by 3. True, some of it is true, but you are losing data, na? I think in the option B, he's talking about option B. Can you see the option B? In the option B, big number by 2. In the option B, big number by 2 is better, right? Big number by 2. You may say that big number by 3, but you will lose data, right? If you keep by 3, you will lose data. If you do by 3, because of it is a bigger, you are doing by 3. I can understand. But the problem is you are losing data, right? See, without losing data, you have to do efficiently. Without losing data, you have to do efficiently. Fine? Bhaiya, you got, see, so many basics I covered. In today's class, I covered so many basics. What is bitwise end? What is the right bitwise R? What is the relational end? What is the relational R? What is the left shift? What is the right shift? I done many things. So in second step in option B, n into n minus 1, it became big number. In the option C also it became big number. But if I divide by 3, I will lose data. So in the option C, you will lose. In the option B, you don't lose. So if you want, I will explain this. If you want, I will explain. See this. N into n minus 1. It became big. It became big. Okay, you want to make it small. It became big. You want to make it small. So you have two options. Divide by 2 or divide by 3. If I divide by 3, I will get small. But I will lose data. So I think by 2 better. Into next one normal. N minus 2 also you do. Lastly by 3. If you do n into n minus 1, if you do n into n minus 1, by 3 if you do, it became an even number. Even by 3, even number by 3, you will lose data, you will lose data. You will lose data. See, lastly what happened, I don't know. Samanth, lastly, I don't know what will happen. You may lose, you may not lose. You can verify properly. You can verify. But in the option B, option C, middle itself I can stop. In the option B, option C, middle itself I can stop. I can say option B, you don't lose. Option C, you lose. You have to divide by 6. At the end of the day, you have to divide by 6. Na? You have to divide by option, right? By 6. Already 2 over. You have to divide by 3 also. If that is the case, both will lose. But even though both losing, middle losing is serious problem. Middle losing is serious problem. Middle itself you are losing means lastly you will get the blunder. Lastly you are losing little bit, I can understand. Lastly you are losing something. Mostly may not be also. Even though you lose, no problem. Lastly little bit okay. But in between little bit is a serious impact in the final answer. Fine? Yeah, in the options in middle itself you are losing. Suppose isn't that C? Suppose isn't that C this one? Suppose isn't that 6.6? Listen, 6.66. 6.66, assume you are taken 6, followed by 1000, followed by 1000. 6 into 1000, 6000. 6,000, but actual answer, if you multiply this one with 1000, if you multiply by 1000, right? So what is the answer? 6,660. This much big difference. If you multiply by 1000, the actual answer is 6,660. But you give an answer as only 6,000. There is a big loss. There is a big loss further. Further 1000 is coming, assume. Further 1000. So you are taken 6 only, 6,000. But the actual answer is 6,660. Ashwini, is it fine? Ashwini, is it fine? Yeah. Those people who are watching, those people who are... Ashwini, how many subjects you completed? Ashwini, how many subjects you completed? Ashwini, how many subjects you completed? Abhi, how many subjects you completed? Okay, almost half done. Yeah, you please try to complete everyone I am suggesting. Every student I am suggesting. Everyone I am suggesting. Complete as soon as possible. Complete syllabus as soon as possible. Complete syllabus as soon as possible. Complete syllabus as soon as possible. This is the major line which will decide your rank. Complete syllabus as soon as possible. This is the major line which will decide your rank. This is the major one. So preferably complete syllabus as soon as possible. Preferably August ending, August end, or September end. Preferably August ending or September ending. Suppose if you can do September ending, October, November, December, January, 4 months you can do practice. 4 months you can do practice. If you can complete August itself, 5 months you can do practice. Simultaneously, please write all weekly tests. Please write all weekly tests. Please write all weekly tests. My sincere request to everyone, please write all weekly tests. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow 8 a.m., there is a data structure. There is a data structure test. Tomorrow 8 a.m. there is a data structure test. Tomorrow right 8 a.m. data structure. Now Sunday 8 a.m. there is a DMS test. Please write weekly tests also. Not only completing syllabus. Weekly tests also please write. Weekly tests also please write. Today I may be covered 2 problems. But many basics I covered. If anyone having any doubt in any one of the basic point, please let me know. Sir, I have that doubt, right? I have a doubt in this basic point. Let me know, I will help you. Let me know, I will help you. Right? In our group, if anyone asks you, this problem, right? Please help them. In our group, if anyone asks you this problem, anyone asks. In our group, if anyone asks this problem, please explain them. Please explain this also. Anything. See, need not be exactly same problem. Some changes. Okay, fine. So in the next month, Ashwin, in the next month we will target them. We will target those 2 subjects in the next month. In the next month, we will target those 2 subjects. CN and CD, we will target in the next month. Yeah, there may be chance that Samarth, right? There may be chance 10 marks also will come, but minimum 5 marks. Yeah, I think in my opinion, combinedly, if you take the 3 hours lecture, maybe combinedly 3 or 4 hours lecture, if I combine that, approximately it will take 30 hours or 40 hours. 30 hours. In my opinion, 30 hours it will take. 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 10 classes. Right? Samarth 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 10 classes. Totally, in my opinion, 30 hours or 40 hours. Max 40 hours, right? Minimum is 30 hours. Chalo. Right? We'll see in the next class. We will see in the next class. Right? Until now, approximately 9 hours or 10 hours are over. I think remaining 20 more hours are there. In my opinion, 30 hours it will be over. 10 hours are over, right? In our platform also we are already, right? Monday we are going to keep, right? 3 hours, 3 classes we will keep. Like 3 hours, 3 classes we will keep. Maximum 10 classes will come. Right? Thank you. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. See you in the next class. Fine? Those people who are not taking subscription, you can try. Right? So don't waste your time. Don't waste your time by watching in the YouTube that lecture, this lecture like this. Systematically follow. Systematically follow, you will get the nice rank. Systematically follow, you will get the nice rank. Yeah. Thanks everyone. Thank you. See you in the next class. There is a 25% offer is going on. You can utilize it. 25% offer is going on. You can utilize. Right? It is. I think this offer is valid until Sunday night. Until Sunday, this offer is there. 25% offer. You can go and take the subscription if you are serious about GATE 2025. Right? This offer is there until Sunday night. Right? Fine. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Gayatri. Thanks everyone. Thank you, Samarth. Thank you, Ashwini. If anyone asks any doubt of today's class, I want to make sure, right, you have to give the answer. Anyone asked you any doubt, please give answer to them. This problem, this is how it came, right? So it will do like this. This is the end operation. It will do like this. This is the bitwise end. This is the relational end. This is the left shift. This is the right shift. You have to explain everything. Any problem will come of this model. You have to give answer. Any problem will come of this model. You have to give answer. Right? Fine. Thank you.